Welcome to Top 5 Verdict. The best wire nut is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked components in any electrical project, ensuring safe and reliable connections that can last for years. Whether you're a seasoned electrician or a DIY enthusiast tackling home improvements, understanding the nuances of these small but mighty connectors is crucial for preventing electrical hazards and ensuring the longevity of your installations. In this video, we'll dive deep into what makes a wire nut truly stand out, exploring the features that guarantee a secure grip, superior insulation, and ease of use, ultimately helping you make informed decisions for your next electrical endeavor. Number 5. WAGO 221 Lever Nut 78 PC Compact Splicing Wire Connector Assortment. Introducing the WAGO 221 Lever Nut 78 Piece Assortment. This compact kit provides a reliable solution for all your splicing needs. Effortlessly connects solid, stranded, and flexible copper wires. It makes splicing faster and more dependable than ever before. These connectors are designed to terminate wires ranging from 24 to 12 AWG. You can trust their versatility for various applications. Rest assured, these are UL-listed, genuine WAGO lever nuts. Quality and safety are guaranteed with every connection. The transparent housing allows for easy visual inspection. You can quickly check for proper strip length and complete wire insertion. This comprehensive set includes 34x2 conductor, 26x3 conductor, and 18x5 conductor connectors. A durable case is also provided for convenient storage and transport. What we like. If you're looking for a convenient and versatile solution for various wiring projects, this is a great choice. It offers a wide range of connector sizes for different conductor counts, all neatly organized in a case. You should consider this if you appreciate having the right connector readily available for diverse tasks, from small repairs to more involved installations. What people say. They're extremely professional, reliable, and easy to use. They grip solid copper perfectly, and they also hold tin ferrules on braided copper without any issue. The build quality is excellent, the levers feel solid, and the connections stay secure. Number 4. Ideal Electrical 30-5152J WingTwist Wire Connectors, 150 pack. Introducing the Ideal Electrical WingTwist Wire Connectors. This comprehensive kit provides a reliable and efficient solution for all your electrical wiring needs. You'll receive 75 yellow and 75 red connectors, each designed to handle a wide range of wire combinations. They are perfect for copper wires and should not be used with aluminum. The contoured wing design offers superior torque for secure connections. Its deep skirt also protects against flashover, ensuring electrical integrity. Featuring an expanding, square wire spring, these connectors create exceptionally secure electrical bonds. They are built to last and provide peace of mind. Constructed with a tough, flame-retardant shell, they are rated for high temperatures and voltage. These connectors are UL-listed and CSA certified for your safety. These are the perfect accessory for creating secure, low-impedance connections within any electrical box. They ensure your wiring is safe and reliable. What we like. For those who prioritize a secure and comfortable grip during wire connections, this option stands out. Its unique wing design provides excellent torque, and the expanding spring ensures a reliable connection across different wire combinations. If you're working with copper wires and want a connector that's easy to handle and built for safety, this is a solid pick. What people say. The wire nuts are easy to twist on and hold wire securely. Good assortment of sizes for various wire gauges. They provide a solid connection and don't loosen up over time. Number 3. 3M Performance Plus Wire Connector Tan Red. Introducing the 3M Performance Plus Wire Connector, designed for secure and reliable connections. This connector is built to last in all your pigtail applications. Its strong biting spring ensures a secure and long-lasting connection. This makes it ideal for various wiring needs. Experience the uniquely flexible spring that allows for expansion and reuse. This provides greater versatility for different wire ranges. The dual color-coded tan red design means one connector can handle the job of two traditional ones. This simplifies most applications. It is UL listed for use with copper wire up to 600 volts, and up to 1000 volts in signs and lighting fixtures. This ensures safety and compliance. This connector accommodates a wide wire range, from 22 to 8 AWG for both solid and stranded copper conductors. It offers broad compatibility. The flexible skirt helps prevent copper exposure, enhancing overall safety. It's designed for industrial and occupational use only. What we like. If you need a connector that offers flexibility and can handle a broad spectrum of wire gauges, this is worth considering. The unique flexible spring allows for expansion and reuse, making it adaptable to many situations. You should opt for this if you're an occupational user who values a single connector that can often replace two traditional types, simplifying your toolkit. What people say. The wire nuts are easy to twist on and stay secure. Good variety of sizes included for different wire gauges. They provide a solid connection and are easy to use. Number 2. XHF Lever Wire Electrical Connectors Kit. Introducing the XHF Lever Wire Electrical Connectors Kit, designed for quick and secure wire splicing. These connectors make electrical work faster and simpler than ever before. Safety is paramount. Our connectors are built to last, offering resistance to corrosion, aging, and high temperatures. They are rated for 250V 4kV and 32A, ensuring reliable performance. Save valuable time and effort. With these connectors, no tools are required for wiring. Simply plug and play, reducing wiring work time by over 80% and saving on material costs. These versatile connectors are compatible with a wide range of wires, including soft and hard single-strand and multi-strand types. They are perfect for lighting, fans, automatic doors, and various small appliances. Need to make changes? These connectors are reusable. Simply lift the levers to replace wires, making maintenance a breeze. Their compact design also ensures a clean and organized installation. Connecting wires is as easy as pushing a lever. Insert the stripped wire into the connector, push the orange handle up, and you're done. It's a user-friendly solution for all your electrical needs. What we like. For DIYers and professionals seeking efficiency and ease of use, this connector is an excellent choice. It requires no tools for installation, and the reusable levers make modification simple. If you're aiming to speed up your wiring tasks and appreciate the ability to easily test connections, this is ideal for home decoration and appliance work. What people say. The wire nuts are easy to use and provide a secure connection. These wire nuts are well made and durable, ensuring a long-lasting connection. The variety of sizes included in the pack makes them suitable for a wide range of wiring applications. Number 1. Drill Wire Twister Tool. Introducing our upgraded wire twister tool, designed for efficiency and durability. It features a high-efficiency 6mm hex shank and is made from galvanized steel for extreme hardness and rust-proof performance. Save time and effort with this tool, compatible with most power drills. It twists wires up to 5 times faster than manual methods, ensuring secure and tangle-free connections. Our tool includes a smart observation window to verify wire alignment before twisting, helping to reduce errors. Its ergonomic design ensures safety and prevents hand fatigue during use. Operating this tool is simple. Just strip wires, insert them into the tool, clamp with pliers, and twist with your drill for quick and easy wire connections. This heavy-duty tool is perfect for electricians, automotive work, and construction projects. Use it in workshops, garages, or for any home electrical needs. Built to last, it features a high-temperature forged 304 stainless steel core. This provides excellent resistance to impact, heat, and corrosion, ensuring over 35,000 twists. What we like. If you're looking to significantly speed up your wire twisting process, this tool is a game changer. Designed to attach to a power drill, it twists wires much faster than manual methods, saving considerable time and effort. You should choose this if you're an electrician, work in automotive, or handle frequent wiring tasks where efficiency and a secure, tangle-free connection are paramount. What people say. The product works design function feature facts mentioned. The product works design function feature facts mentioned. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.